Today we're going to be mounting a docking station to a forklift, and we'll be using a Gamber-Johnson dock. We'll be using a guard leg mount that features the 4-inch diamond plate that can mount to rectangular and roll form guard legs, as well as the 2 to 3 inch round tube for the round guard legs. We'll also be mounting a scanner pocket next to the docking station. To get started mounting the docking station, we first locate the mounting studs. These are 1/4-20 mounting studs, as well as the appropriate hardware for mounting the dock. We'll take the dock, and then we'll take our scanner pocket that mounts the scanner next to the tablet docking station. We'll line up the slots with the dock and the bracket so that the pocket and docking station is in this orientation. Once we have the scanner pocket aligned on the docking station with the 1/4-20 studs, we'll take our guard leg mount, locate the VESA 75mm hole pattern, and align with the studs on the docking station to sandwich the scanner pocket between the docking station and our guard leg mount. Then while holding that in place, we can fasten the 1/4-20 hardware to the studs. Once you have the 1/4-inch nuts fastened to the back of the dock, take a 7/16 ratchet and further tighten into place. Once we have the carriage bolts dropped into the backer plate, we'll line up with the slots on the guard leg mount and drop into place. These slots will be in accordance with your guard leg on the forklift. The channels can swivel to different angles that the guard leg is at. Then we'll take one of the 3/8 nuts on the back side of one of the bolts and just run the nut on a little ways. Now, before I put the docking station and mount onto the forklift, I want to point out that we have the docking station and barcode scanner mount on before we put the rest of the mount on. Now, this will help the installer align where the docking station and the tablet should be on the forklift when installing. Now, you can mount the guard leg mount by itself first and then add the other components afterwards. But in this installation, we're putting all of it on first, then installing it onto the guard leg. So now we'll go ahead and mount the guard leg mount to this guard leg. Take by positioning the square bracket with the slots to the inside of the guard leg. Bring the backer plate around like this, then slide the other bolt through like that. Then you want to turn this rear backer plate in the slots to make sure these bolts are tight up against the guard leg. Once that is done, hold the guard leg mount as level as you can. Then take and finger tighten the nuts. In place. Then grab your 9/16 wrench and further tighten into place. Once tightened, you can then telescope where you want your tablet dock to be. So the top swivel arm has multiple pivot points, as well as various pivot point holes that you can adjust for front to back or top to bottom, depending on the use case for your customer. Some added motion on the clevis. If you wish to change the tilt of the device, simply loosen the handle to swivel and tilt where you need your tablet. then tighten down into place. You can also adjust the barcode scanner by swiveling left and right, or you can use the other positioning holes to further position the barcode scanner pocket up and down. Once you find the optimal position for your device, you can further lock down one or two of the pivot mounts. This will further deter the mount from rotating and limit only swivel and tilt for the device. This guard leg mount can also be mounted to other various guard legs. Specifically, this guard leg mount can be mounted to rectangular and roll form guard legs. We can also take the same mount with a separate backer plate that can mount to 2 to 3 inch diameter round guard legs. With our round guard leg mount version, we have this V-shaped backer plate. This V-shape offers 3 points of contact to the guard leg, offering strong clamping force for your mount. Along with our round pole mount, we recommend using the bottom slots when mounting to the guard leg.